Hello, thank you for downloading a Talent Portal, your new Notion workspace that would help you streamline your recruitment function and help you attract the best talent to your team and have everything in check. In this video, I'll give you a quick walkthrough of what you can find in this template and how you can use it and how you can customize it so that it fits your own needs. On the left-hand side, we have a quick access panel where you will find 4 buttons. The home button, which will bring you back directly to the starting screen. A new job description button so that you could quickly add any new job descriptions. New candidate button, and a space to customize your scorecard competencies, which I will cover in the end of this overview. On the right side, we have a summary dashboard which reflects all your active roles and the statistics for all applicants and the number of applicants in each stage of the recruitment process. Below, we have a job description section where you can track all your job descriptions, indicate their status, assign the team, the location, indicate the salary range for each role, indicate the date when the role was published, include any relevant files, include the published link, and assign an owner. This table is available in different views, so you can see the status board so that you could see which job descriptions are currently open, which are in the draft stage, which still need to be updated, and which job descriptions you have just created and which ones you still need to work on. There are also views by team and by location. Moving on, we have a talent pool database where you can see all the candidates who have applied to your positions. It is also available by the recruitment stage and by team. And same as with job descriptions, you can customize it so that it reflects your own needs. In the initial table, you can indicate the hiring stage, the source, the recruiter. You can have a quick link to access a candidate's LinkedIn profile, their salary expectations, and you can quickly see whether their expectations match the salary range for each specific role. You can also include the CV and access it quickly and make some comments. And finally, below we have an interview schedule section where you can have a calendar view so that you could see when you have all upcoming interviews. And there is also a table view with some additional information. In the backend section, the original databases and pages are kept. Please do not delete those. So now let's see this workspace in action. Let's add a new job description. Press the button and let's say you're looking for a finance manager. In the key information section, you can indicate the team. Let's say that it's already active. Include the salary range for this role. Let's assume it's going to be remote. Indicate an owner. For example, it was published on the 20th of January. Include the link and any relevant files if available. And below you have a funnel section where you can see all the candidates who have applied for this role and the number of candidates in each stage. I've also created a generic template for you where you can include the description about the role, the responsibilities, the requirements, and there is also a section for the benefits that you will be providing to your future candidates. I've pre-filled some of the roles as an example, so this is how it's going to look like. And in case you want to make changes to the job description template, you go back to the job description section, select new job description template, press 3 buttons, and edit this template. Now when we have created a new role, we can see that it's reflected in this table, and it is also automatically pulled up to the summary dashboard table for active roles. But as we can see, we do not have any candidates for this role, so let's add a new one. Press add new candidate. For example, Maria is applying for the role of the finance manager. She has just applied, so we select the stage as application received. In the candidate info section, you include her email, her phone number, her LinkedIn profile, her expected salary. Let's say she expects 55,000 per year, which is within our range. You can indicate her skills. You can create any new skills, and later on you can filter all your candidates by skills. You include her CV, and let's say she applied through LinkedIn. Then we have a recruitment timeline section where you can indicate the date when she applied, for example, 27th. Let's go full screen. And let's say that you liked her in the CV. She proceeds to the screening stage. And once she does, you update the stage at the top. Then let's say she moves to the first interview, hiring interview, and finally she accepts the offer. If she accepts the offer, the recruitment metrics will be automatically populated with two metrics, time to hire and time to fill, with time to hire being the number of days between the date when a successful candidate applied for the role and the date when the offer was accepted. And time to fill is the number of days between the date when the role was published and when the offer was accepted and the position was closed. Please note that those metrics would only be calculated for the closed roles. And below we have the assessment results section. Let's go a little bit down, and here we can see a template for every new candidate. We have a quick access panel with the home button and a new scorecard. Let's press it, and automatically every new candidate is assigned with predefined competencies. Since we assume that she's a successful candidate, you decide to give her an offer. Let's rate her well, like 4 out of 5, 5 out of 5, 4, 4, 5, 4, and 5. The average scores for each stage are automatically pulled up into the assessment results section at the top. If you're using a test task in your hiring process, you can grade it. Let's say she did it well, 4 stars. And here we have a section for the final decision where you can write a couple of sentences whether you want to proceed with the candidate. There is also a section for the recruiter's feedback, the test task feedback, and the hiring manager's feedback. Same as with the job description template, you can customize it by going to a talent pool section, going to new candidate, and press and edit this template. The next thing I want to show is how to customize the scorecard. For this, you go to scorecard competencies page, and here we have the board view and the list view of your competencies. So we have, out of these 5 competencies in the list, 4 of them are predefined and automatically pulled up when you press the button, but we can see that team management is not included when you press it. So let's set it up. I've included some instructions in here, but let me show you. To customize the button, you go to Talent Pool section, go to a new candidate template, press Edit, go full screen, press Edit button. If you want to replace the predefined competencies, change those. And if you want to add more, press Add Action, Add Pages to, select a scorecard database, press Add this page and select Name. Then press Edit Property, Competency, and select the new one you want to add. In this case, let's add team management. And the last thing you'll have to do is to select talent pool and click this page. Done. Now when we add a new candidate, you can either press the button or go to the bottom of the page, press New Page, open it up, let's name, for example, Molly, who is applying for an operations manager role. You fill all this data, you press New Scorecard, and now you can see that there are 5 competencies automatically predefined and assigned to Molly. And this is all that I wanted to show you. I hope you will enjoy your new talent portal, and in case you have any questions, suggestions, or recommendations, or you want a custom build for your own business, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. Thank you.